风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi there, I'm Joseph Lin, and here comes a Hakka song on ICRT. Hailing from Zhudong Xingzhu is the talented artist Boy P, who has released 2 Hakka albums in 2021 and 2022, which all got him a nomination for the Golden Melody Awards. And this year, his 3rd album, Hakka Glory, earned him a 3rd nomination. He likes to blend in traditional Hakka mountain songs with hip-hop and trap, like in this track called Conggu, or For a Long Time. Let's take a listen.来自新竹竹东的创作才子彭波义，在2021及2022年发行2张个人的客语专辑都入围金曲奖，而今年更凭着第3张专辑《嗑药 Hakka Glory》再度入围。他擅长电子乐、嘻哈，还有饶舌跟 R&B 曲风，然后把它融入在客家的山歌里面，改编成这一首《从旧长久》，来呈现属于彭波义的独特风格。You know they say 3 times a charm, and let's hope Boy P wins this 3rd one. Thank you for listening to another Hakka song. I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.